Welcome to English Compass. Our unique and exciting stories will help you learn English quickly and easily. Today, I'm going to tell you a truly inspiring story so you can practice English and learn how to live a more meaningful life. And today's main character is Mr. Beast, the man who gives away millions to teach a lesson about giving. Have you ever thought that someone could become a millionaire, world famous, just by giving away money, planting trees, or helping strangers get free surgeries? No selling, no ads, no real estate investments. But instead, giving away like crazy, opened a free hamburger restaurant, gave $1 million to a homeless person, built 100 clean water wells in Africa, played hide-and-seek in a supermarket, and gave the winner a Lamborghini. Sounds like a joke? It's the true story of Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr. Beast. Part 1. The Gamer Kid and a Dream No One Believed in. Did you know Mr. Beast uploaded his first video when he was just 13? The gear? An old laptop. No microphone. No lighting. No support. His first video? A game commentary with just 2 views, one of which was from his mom. But Jimmy didn't give up. He began experimenting with different types of videos, listing which YouTubers made the most money, analyzing the YouTube algorithm, self-learning editing, thumbnails, SEO from Reddit forums. Turning point? 2016. Dropped out of college to go all in on YouTube. No money, no income, but he had a testing mindset and unwavering belief. Part 2. Viral videos. Persistence is also content. Which video made Mr. Beast go viral? Not a challenge, not a giveaway. It was counting from 1 to 100,000 nonstop over 40 hours. That video later got over 30 million views. It was counting from 1 to 100,000 nonstop over 40 hours. That video later got over 30 million views. Why? Mr. Beast understood. Rule number 1. Attention equals different plus crazy plus real. Rule number 2. People don't just watch videos. They want to see you do what they never could. After that, he continued creating ridiculous but addictive content. Saying Logan Paul 100,000 times, listening to Baby Shark for 24 hours straight, opening 100 mystery Amazon boxes. But each crazy moment meant more views, more subs, and more trust in the Mr. Beast brand. Part 3. Giving. The most unique growth strategy. Why is Mr. Beast famous? Because he gave away money? Not enough. It's because he knows how to tell stories that are kind, human, and make the audience feel part of something good. You might have seen the videos. Giving $1 million to a homeless person, sponsoring 1,000 eye surgeries so the blind could see. Giving away 100 cars in one day, building 100 homes for the poor in Jamaica, Honduras, and Haiti. But what you don't see, a team of over 100 people, writers, directors, cameramen, lawyers, accountants, months of preparation and legal review per video. Every gift had real meaning, not just for clicks. Why do people trust Mr. Beast? Because he doesn't sell products. He sells belief in good. Part 4. Failure, depression, and career crises. Even the most generous man on YouTube went through a period of severe depression. Why? The pressure to make each video bigger than the last, each video costing hundreds of thousands to millions of dollars. One bad idea could waste an entire month of hard work. Plus, he once went bankrupt several times from overspending. Failed with a podcast, mobile app, and business startups. Broke up with his girlfriend due to work obsession. What kept him going? Not money, but a line he often repeats. I make videos to make the world better, not to be famous. Part 5. The Cost of Generosity. Mr.Beast once said, I've spent nearly all my savings just to help others. He doesn't take junk sponsors or sell get-rich-quick courses. The entire channel is funded mostly through Beast Burger, his own fast food chain, Feastables, his own chocolate brand partners like Shopify, Honey, Current. Even though many videos lose money, but he still makes them for the message. Would you give up everything to do the right thing, even if no one understood? Part 6. Mr. Beast's Philosophy. Giving is receiving. What can you learn from Mr. Beast? Persistence, creativity, and daily action. From 2 views to 100,000 subscribers took him 5 years. The mindset of giving value first, then receiving. Give kindness, sincerity, and time. People will return with trust. You don't have to be rich to give. A compliment, a share, a kind act, and the world already changes. Part 7. Mr. Beast, the man who reinvented global media. In 2024, Mr. Beast became the most subscribed YouTuber in the world, over 250 million subs. More influential than CNN among Gen Z, the pioneer of the charity plus entertainment model, Charitytainment. He is launching free educational programs on YouTube, funding environmental projects, Team Trees, Team Seas, testing a new video platform independent of YouTube's algorithm. He's not just a YouTuber, he's a case study in ethical business models. Ending. Who will you become? You don't have to be Mr. Beast, but you can start like he did. With an old laptop, a dream big enough, and a heart brave enough to give. In the end, life isn't measured by how much you keep, but by how many people you touch. Today, what will you choose to give? If you enjoyed this story and want to hear more simple English like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow our channel. Let's learn English together through inspiring stories. See you in the next video.